Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to do a really cool unboxing of this pair of October 10th Adelaides. These are wingtip Adelaides and part of the hand-welted collection that's part of the collaboration with Sons of Henry. I also wanted to point out I've put together this really cool playlist on emerging brands. This is something that I have 46 videos in right now. These are videos from both my channel as well as channels from other YouTubers like MB Shoe Doc that I've done a collaboration with before, as well as Justin Fitzpatrick, Vladimir Richer, and The Cavalier. If you take a look here at the link that I include here, you should get right to this playlist. Thank you so much. Hey, before we get started, I just wanted to point out that I've organized all my videos into playlists on my channel. So if you're looking for more videos around a specific topic, especially topics like this with general shoe knowledge, you can find all of the videos in one place so that you're able to easily access everything that's out there. Thanks much.
Hey everybody, it is a new unboxing and I'm really excited about these pair of shoes that are coming today. This is a Sons of Henry collaboration. This is the second pair I've gotten from Sons of Henry and is the first pair I've gotten from this collaborator, which is out of Shanghai and is October 10th. So these are in these beautiful velvet shoe bags, and this is a hand-welted fiddleback waist with Triumph tips, cognac Adelaides, and they are wingtip Adelaides. Aren't they beautiful? Love the way that looks. It's got a tapered heel and just a fantastic fiddleback waist, double sole carved down. Just looks fantastic. So let me pull out the second one. You see these have lasted trees that come with them as well. So very nice. I sincerely hope that they fit. Take a look there. You can see the waistline. Just a very, very exciting shoe. And I've heard a lot of really good things about October 10th coming out of Shanghai. So this is the tree that comes with it. Very handsome. Looks like walnut. And it is a lasted design. And I think if you look at the shoe, that is the same last in general that it was built on. So very nice stuff. Look forward to